how long does this process actually take? Well, it depends on you. It depends on your injuries. It depends on how much pain you're suffering. Clearly, if it's something that's not as substantial, I guess, it would be something, a fender bender, soft tissue injury. It may, the treatment process might only be 2 or 3 months, for example. If it's something more substantial, fractured hip, broken kneecap, things like that, loss of life, clearly that whole process takes a much, much longer process, because you have to see orthopedic surgeons, you have to see neurologists. We want to make sure that we have the full story, because we don't want to undercut you later on that you have these permanent injuries and yet you didn't get recovery for your injuries. So that's kind of why this process takes longer, because there's more medical providers, more things we got to cover, more documentation and treatment for that matter. And it all depends on the person that crashed into you. So it's based off injuries, it's based on the insurance that's available, and it's based on you, on how you're recovering, how you're feeling, and things like that. So the process can vary, but typically from start to finish, if it's not a very big impact, the treatment process is about 3 to 4 months on average. And then from there, the doctor will send a demand. They'll send a demand to the attorney's office, and we can basically put together a demand package and send it out, and we negotiate back and forth. However, that doesn't always work out, because if you don't treat,